finding inputs and outputs of a function from its graph. The graph of a function f is shown below. Find one value of x for which f of x equals 4 and find f of 0. Okay, so again, this question is asking for two different things. We're finding one value of x for which f of x equals 4, and separately, we're finding f of 0. Okay, now I'm going to take a brief aside here to help you kind of understand what this question is asking. I want you to think about when we do these t-table charts. We often have the x's on this side and the f of x's on this side. Now before we started using this function notation, we used to make these charts with x comma y. Okay? So when this says f of x equals 4, it's saying there's a 4 on this side, and I'm trying to find what it goes with. What x value goes with 4. Okay? So we could think about it as y is 4, and I'm trying to find out what x is. Okay? So I'm going to look in the y direction at 4. But I don't want to find it on the axis. I want to find it where the graph equals 4. So here's 4. I see a point on the graph that equals 4 right here because we see this line up. Okay? So I want to find the x value that matches up with this 4. So if I go down here, I see that if I put negative 4 into the function, I'm going to get a positive 4 out. So my x value would be negative 4. So the answer to this first question is x equals negative 4. Oh, excuse me, that's off the page here. X equals negative 4. Okay? So that's the first answer. The second one says find f of 0. Okay, now remember, it originally was f of x. So when we put that when we put that 0 in for that x, it really means that x is 0, and I'm trying to find out what the y is now. Okay, so do you see how these are opposite? Now I'm going to find when x is 0, what is y, or f of x. Okay, so when x is 0, I see this line up right here. Okay, so when x is 0, y is in fact 2. So f of 0 equals 2. Because when x equals 0, y equals 2. Okay, and that's about it.